Guys, there's this skill that I think people are like underestimating, or they are not aware of it or something. Hi guys, hello, welcome to our village. Yes, we call this a village now. It's no longer a YouTube channel because it's our tiny village. We are growing. We are up I think 4,100 subscribers, and today is the 29th of May. Welcome to the village. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. And guys, guess what, we got monetized. Exciting. Guys, you know what it means when we get monetized. You help your girl, your mommy, your auntie by watching the ads. Okay, yeah guys, please don't skip the ads. It helps me to be able to create this content for you. But anyway guys, today I thought let's just look at 5 in-demand tech skills in South Africa. Disclaimer, these are not the only in-demand tech skills, and if you know more, please let us know in the comment section below, because there is quite a lot of tech skills that are in demand in South Africa. And you know what, I'm just gonna explain and just speak about these things in simple terms for you, like nothing complicated, okay? And institutions that I'm going to mention, it's one of the institutions, but there is quite a lot of institutions where you can do like different types of courses. So let's get straight into it. The first skill that we are going to look at is AI. I'm sure you are tired of this AI. So what is AI? AI is artificial intelligence. It's the ability of the computer or the machine to mimic a human intelligence, basically. Okay, that's what it is. If I may give you an example, if you are familiar with Apple products, that Siri, how is the weather today, you know, that's part of artificial intelligence. Oh, there's quite a lot and lots of examples, but I just wanted to give you like a simple basic example, right? Even Android, they have their own yeah, so a career in AI ihlukene guys. There is machine learning, there is data scientists, there is business intelligence developers, there is research scientists, there is architects. So, and it's not new. It's not new. At this day and age, when people talk about AI, they are always thinking about things that are going to replace as like about chat GTP. Mina, as a person who worked in marketing, I am quite yes, as is it does about my chat GTP guys. So chat GTP basically it's another like AI app, right? So app or website, so where you can just go and say write me an article about the state of South Africa today, right? So you can actually, after watching this video, you can go to chatgtp.com and then just type write me an article about the state of South Africa, and you'll see what will come up. Okay, so that's part of AI, and I won't lie, it has really affected a lot of jobs in communication space, marketing space, because content writers, I know I'm a content writer as well. People who write content, sometimes they really feel that, you know what, this app is going to replace them. And I'm already seeing in first world countries this happening. There is a publication called Vice. They've closed down, and I think BuzzFeed is struggling or closing down. So I'm just gonna double check that, BuzzFeed. So yeah guys, AI is taking over. And there's quite a number of I mean, I'm just keeping it simple for the purpose of this video, because it might be watched by a parent who don't really know much about technology, or someone who's in grade 10, so they are not familiar with technical terms. So this is why I'm just keeping it simple. So yeah guys, that's part of AI. But how to become those people like who work in AI. Sometimes you can have like your BSc computer science, You can have your data science qualification, information technology. It could be also in statistics. But on top of your undergrad or your honors, guys, do you know that South Africa is the only country with an honors degree? Most countries you just have your undergrad, and then I don't know what is the associate degree, but I just undergrad and your masters. But anyway, let's not get distracted. So you can take online courses. You have to take online courses and certifications, right, on top of your undergrad. So that's where I was going with this, okay? And there is one in what's this place? Google Coursera for $39 per month. So how Google Coursera works is you pay per month. So they would say on average a course will take about 5 months, 6 months, 8 months, or 12 months, and you are paying $39 per month. But it's up to you how long you take. Right, so $39 per month. Let's move to the next one, which is data science. It's so funny that I'll speak about AI and data science in the same video, because in one of my TikToks someone did mention that, oh, you know what, I just think this data science job will be taken by AI now. You know, you wouldn't really like need people to analyze data anymore. But anyway, for South Africa, for where we are in 2023, these skills are still in demand, and this is according to Business Tech. Okay, so let's talk about data science. So what do these people do? It's people who analyze and interpret complex digital data, and you can study a course through Google Coursera. It's also $39 per month. This one they say is 5 months long. Yeah, so it's 5 months long, self-paced, obviously, and you are required to do like 10 hours per week. What I love about these courses, guys, the online courses, is you can study while you are at work, like while you are doing something else, but you can add, you know, this course to either enhance your skills, or maybe you are someone who's looking for a career change. You know, I know someone who was working as a data capturer. I am going to link their TikTok account into the description box below. Do check them out. When I asked them about experience or background, they said you must love your Excel. You must love your Excel. So if you love your Excel, this one would be nice, would be a nice career change for you. They mentioned Excel and what else? I can't remember now, right? But I'm going to link them in the description box below, and you can connect with them and also check the course via Google Coursera. Okay, the third skill that we are going to talk about is software development. What is software development? Software development in simple terms is the process of using computer science principles and programming languages to create, test, debug, and deploy all software computer programs for clients' applications. So that's what it is. You can have a career in web development, in database administration, in software development, or you can work as a computer programmer, just depending on what type of software development you focused on. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to talk about web development. Web development, obviously, as we are sitting here, I might have a website, bonikaba.com. It would mean I would have had a developer that wrote a code for me, right? I know people may argue and say, oh, there's a lot of open source software. Let me tell you something. I tried to create my own my own website. There was a time where people like me thought, you know what, I am quite digitally savvy, so I can create my website, my own website. I've tried it, and I had to call a web developer. You know, maybe it was just me, but I was using this open long time ago. We're using Joomla. Please let us know in the comment section if you still remember Joomla. We were using Joomla, and then later we moved to WordPress. But still, guys, I still wanted a developer to write code. So don't be fooled. But obviously, it depends what type of website you need, okay? And if you're looking for a course, there is accredited here in South Africa. You can check out Zayo Coding School. Their course is at NQF 4, and you can start with a coding literacy course, which is it's free. It's 14 modules, it's free, and it has an introduction to coding, right? So it's a good course. I love this course because you can just see. I know someone who did it, and they told me that it helped them to decide if they want to do front end or back end, right? So it's just a good start. It's a good way to start and just to be introduced into the coding world. But when you want to go like full stack or front end or back end, there is another course which is about 4,950. But guys, what I love about Zayo, besides the certificates, because guys, this courses, what is more important is your skill, is your ability to do the job, right? It's your ability to do the job. It's not the actual certificate. But by the way, you get the certificate and a guaranteed first interview. So if you've done your course, the course takes about 6 months. If you've done it, you can do it online and part-time. Guaranteed first interview. So that's what we love about it. Do check them out at Zayo Coding School. The fourth one, guys, that we are going to look at is cybersecurity. So what is cybersecurity? Again, this looks like it's a new buzzword, but it's something that has existed for a while now, you know. I'm sure we always needed that cybersecurity for computers, you know, so it's nothing new. But in summary, it's just the practice of protecting or securing computer systems or networks from cyber attacks. So that's what it is. You can work as a systems engineer, network engineer, cyber security analyst, right? And most people would find that they've done maybe their IT diploma or IT degree, but then they just want to add this as one of those skills. The one thing about the IT or tech industry, yo guys, kuyafunda laphayana, like it's never ending. My brother is in the IT space. He did a course through, I forget the name of this college, but it's in Durban North, right? And he's always studying, guys. Like every time I call him, he's studying something. He's always busy with something. So it's very important, whether you have your undergrad, whether you have your diploma, or you just want to change careers, like you've done something else and you just want to change careers, you must know that these online certifications, these online courses that you can do while you're at the job or while you are just in between jobs or just unemployed and looking for something else to do. There is a course, cybersecurity course, that is done by IBM, Google Coursera. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below. It's 3 months, you need like 10 hours per week, and I'm sure this is just an introduction. There is also Cisco Network Academy. They have an introductory like course that you can do with them, 15 hours, and it's free, right? And then they have, it's for beginners, and then there's intermediate, which is 30 hours. It's still free. It's what their website says, that it is free, so do check it out. There is one IBM at Google Coursera, and also you can check with Cisco Networking Academy. Guys, please note, again, disclaimer, do not take this as career advice, but it's just tips. You still need to do your own research. The video says it's 5 in-demand tech skills, but there are many other in-demand tech skills, right? So these are not the only ones. You can still do your own research. The fifth skill that I want us to talk about is cloud computing. Most people say it's AWS, cloud computing. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services, right? So obviously you work on the cloud. That's what it is. and Amazon division yabo lena, so where they offer web services, and they have their own academy. You can get some courses there for free. I think when there's free ones, I might be wrong, there's free ones. The problem was when I wanted to do more research, I had to log in and sign up, you know, because most courses they will say it's free, but then once you've registered, then they show you that, oh no, actually it's $39 per month or something. But what I've seen, it just looks like there is free courses. I'm not sure. Please let us know in the comment section if AWS Academy offers free courses, right? But you can check them out. And the AWS cloud computing, guys, has like a lot of paths, right? So solutions architects, application architects, data analytics, there's just a lot going on. So, and I know they normally host open days online where you can find out about the whole thing, like cloud computing. If you are someone who's interested in it, you want to change careers, and there are entry-level courses akona for people who are non-technical, who have never done computer science, who have never done a IT diploma or something, but they are just looking for a career change. So always look out for those on their website. There is a recent one that just got, it was last week, 20-something, like 22nd of May or something. So do look out for another one where it's sort of like an open day, and you can find out about a cloud, AWS cloud computing, right? This next skill, guys, that I want to talk about, it was not part of the plan, part of the video, but it's something that just came to mind. Just something that just came to mind, guys. There's this skill that I think people are like underestimating, or they are not aware of it or something. Video production, guys. That thing is big. That thing is big. Like, trust me, that thing is big, or it's still going to be big. Video production, especially video editing. If you can master video editing skills, I'm telling you, 2023, 2024, 2025 and beyond, you'll be sorted. Because even when you look at social media now, let me not say social media, let's just say marketing and advertising, like video is the main form of content that the algorithms and stuff loves, right? Video, like, guys, I don't know, like, I don't like video editing. I don't think I'll ever be advanced in video editing. I was a professional photographer, Snaps by Boni, my company, and I always worked with video editors, you know. I never like aspired to learn to edit videos. But guys, I'm telling you, look out for it. By the time you watch this video, I would have researched places. By the time you watch this video, I would have researched places where you can do AMA courses. Actually, you don't even need a course. I would have researched. By the time you watch this, I would have researched YouTube channels that you can get your video editing tutorials. Like, you need tutorials for this one. You don't even need a certificate. You'll never be asked for a certificate. You'll always be asked for a reel, like, just to show your skills, right? So by the time you watch this video, I would have researched from my guys, people that I know that are professional video editors, directors. I would have asked them to give me some resources where you can learn the skill. Guys, this is something, you could be anyone from anywhere, but I am telling you, if you have the skill, even us, you can get work from us. When we start making the moolah, and now we need to be advanced in our YouTube videos, and we hire video editors. And what I love about it, you can do it remotely. I have a friend of mine, he does this while he's in South Africa, but he works with clients from all over the world. I will link him in the description box. If he allows me, I'll link him. But other than that, guys, please consider subscribing if you find value in this. And please let me know what other skills would you like me to talk about. Otherwise, do check out my payslip series. I share how much all these people are earning. Do check that out. See you on the next one.